Oh, I'm going to need this today because we've got a horrendously dog hair smelly car. Check this out. Right, let's play a game called Guess the Dog. Chihuahua, Terrier, I mean, is it German Shepherd hair? Give me another dog breed, Elliot. Doberman? I mean, that'll be short-haired, won't it? So it's probably not going to be that. I'm going to go with Terrier. Shall we go inside and find out what dog it is?
Just break in.
How many dogs and how long is it taking to do this?
It's got to be a small dog, small prince. Why are we FBI in the car right now?
I don't know, mate.
It's like a crime scene, but a dog's died in it.
Yeah, dog's died in the back, hasn't it? If you want to know how to safely, keyword, safely remove all dog hair out of your car, this is probably the video for you. And if you want to watch me suffer, then carry on all the way watching to the end. Carry on all the way watching to the end.
Have a sip of coffee, mate.
So, generally I always start at the rear and then work my way forward.
What do you mean by that?
But we also have done like a quick little how to remove dog hair from your car. Check this out. Notice the clear before and after. Okay. First I'm going to vacuum. First, going to vacuum all the big bits, surface bits out the carpet, and then I'm going to go in my drill brush, and then all my other sort of bits and pieces, and I'm going to get the air compressor with my tornado attachment on the go. So just really going to speed things up and speed the process up, getting in there, didn't make Elliot jump that time. Something like that, we should start.
It's too early for that, mate.
Blow it out, vacuum it up, and then continue that around the car. Probably going to rain in the afternoon, so we found out, because we do diligent people, we check the weather in the morning. There. Scrubbing pads, great investment. Make sure you get them.
5 hours later.
And the interior is still not done. So James, why have you stopped? But you have a gazebo. Get the gazebo out, James. So this is my plan. Look to the weather. Gonna wash the exterior, get the wet work done while it's wet. And then in about an hour or so should be done, and then we can finish off on the interior. Let's see if my plan actually is the right one. I think, Elliot.
I think it's worth a shot, mate.
But we're doing well. So the boot's been done, the rear's been done, everything's been steam clean, it looks beautiful. But there's still some little bits that we've got to do. We've got a wet and dry vacuum, the front seats. You've seen none of this, by the way, but we'll get some clips in, don't worry, after we've done the exterior. So you can see what we're doing, how we're doing it, and obviously the end result at the end. But this is how the car looks on the outside right now. Now some shampoo and some know-how, some good chemicals. So away we go, get this car nice and clean. James has fallouted all the wheels. He's done a citrus pre-wash on the tyres, arches and on the bodywork. A little bit on the roof as well because there's a little bit of bird poo. Now, for an extra bit of bite, we're going to layer it with some snow foam as well. Let that drip, you'll see all the dirt coming off, and then rinse that off and then contact wash the car and it'll be nice and lovely. And you better stop by the time I finish, otherwise I'm going to have to get the gazebo for no reason. No, well, you know what I mean, not for no reason. After all those beautiful, tranquil, satisfying, mesmerising, drippy shots, now time for a bit of rinsing. I know you guys love the top tips, because I read the comments. Top tip when it comes to rinsing. Incredibly dirty cars, rinse from the bottom and all the way up. I'm not going into too much details why, just do it. Now, this isn't super dirty, so we're going to rinse each panel twice. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to go top down. If it's super dirty, like I said before, go from bottom up, and then we're going to go from left to right or right to left, like this. So, if I go. Rinse one, rinse two. Allows you to get full, quick coverage, allows you to work more efficiently for your car, details and balances. I hope that helps. What did you do for Valentine's Day?
Just had like steak dinner and you know the rest.
Steak dinner and exterior wash, even the arches done, and the petrol cap cover. Hold on. You've got to put it for the inside. Forget that. Now time to put on a rinse aid. I have thrown a bit of elixir in there as well from EZ Car Care. It's sold as like 8 weeks in it.
Yeah, it's like 3 or 4 if it's heavy use.
It's about 4 weeks in it.
Yeah.
Of daily use, it's about 4 weeks.
Which I think is still good. Still very good.
For the price, it's like a tenner for a small bottle.
Yep.
And if you're washing it every month, couple of months, it'll still last you years.
Can't complain.
Yeah, a lot of these car care companies and car care brands, they over-exaggerate a little bit. But you can understand why. But you're watching us on this channel, I'll be completely honest and open with you on what we see with our own eyes. It's still a great gloss-enhancing rinse aid, which then adds a bit of a sealant on the outside because we've put a bit of elixir in there as well. Shake it all together, layer it on, straight off. Plan is working, the rain has stopped, and now back onto the interior because the exterior is now washed, dried, and nice bit of a sealant protection on, like I said before, with elixir. Most of the dog hair's been removed, still got that side to do, as you can probably see, but this is how I work. So we work at the back and then we work our way to the front door cards, all them high touch areas that are always like mouldy and horrible and minging. Well, this one has been, but you know, stop talking, James, and crack on, right? So if you're ever unsure when you're wet and dry vacuuming when to stop, just keep on going until it's clear, or as clear as you can get it. See how it's getting clearer now? And if it's never ending and you're going, oh my god, why is it still not getting out? Steam again, get your fabric cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and just go again, rinse and repeat. It's as simple as that. When it comes to the pace as well, don't be doing slow, methodical, that speed, and that's what you want to do, because then you'll do less passes over the same area. If I do that, I'm just a dick. Don't do that. When you're doing your initial vacuum, pull the seat back and it'll expose the seam. Notice how it disappears? So pull the seam back, expose it. Yeah, simple as that, and then make your way down. If you enjoyed that video and all the little top tips of the before and afters, thank you very much. I'd appreciate it if you give us one of those. If you have a dog hairy car, do not book me, book somebody else in the Northwest. No, but seriously, if you do, let us know if those how-to videos were helpful. Customer, leave a comment. I will read and reply to every single one of them. If you don't believe me, test me, and let us know what you want to see on this channel. More people engage with our content and let us know what they want to see. Who knows, we can make it happen for you. And as always, my favourite bit, what time is it for, Elliot?
It's time for the after shots.
Shots. Yep, now a bit of bubbles. And after those beautiful twankle.
What?
After